Good morning, it's Mrs. DePietro. Today's Friday, April 17th, and I want to talk to you about your Fun Friday activities. All right, today you are going to watch this phonics video. It's not me this time, but just a fun, quick little review on the phonics pattern we've been working on with Unit 28. Do an episode of Head Sprout. Today, you guys have been working so hard on your narrative story that I would love to hear it. So I have assigned my narrative story on Flipgrid. So what you'll do is you'll click on this link right here, and it will take you over to Flipgrid. I can get that up. Here it is. And so you'll type in your username or your ID, your lunch number, and then you'll click Let's Go. So once you're in there, it will allow you to upload a video, and it can be up to 5 minutes long. I would love to see you reading your narrative story. So that's a great way to upload it up there so I can hear your story and all the hard work you've been doing. If you're unable to log into Flipgrid, then I would love for your parents to take a picture of your story so I can read it at home and give you some feedback. Read for 15-20 minutes, and then if you have not had a chance yet, or if you have and like to try something new, why don't you go ahead and go to one of the specialist websites and try an activity from there. They're also working very hard to come up with some very creative lessons that you can do at home. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.